G'day brewers, Hendo here from the Rockstar Brewer Academy. When you're working in your brewery, do you have a whiteboard in your brewery, which is basically the means in which you communicate to your brewers on your team about all the different stuff that's happening across your tank farm? That can be a little bit problematic. So today I'm going to run through with you the custom tank stages functionality in Beer 30 so that you can actually communicate better with your team in a more granular way, and you don't even need to be in the brewery at the time. So let's dive in and take a look. As you can see here, I've got the Beer 30 dashboard on here, and I've got my tank farm that appears on your dashboard. I've got my uni tanks, I've got my fermentation vessels, and I've got my bright beer tanks. I just want to have a look at tank number 11 here. As you can see, there's about 68 barrels of Indian brown sugar ale. It's currently fermenting away. Now, one of the issues that this beer has is that we don't know if it's been dry hopped or not. And if I click on tank number 11 here, I can see a fermentation chart, but what I can't see is I don't know if this beer's been dry hopped or not. And so that's basically where custom tank stages can really make a difference in your brewery. Custom tank stages allow you to set up specific messages related to a certain part of production. So for example, whether it's in brew mode, the tank's empty, filtration, bright beer, ferment, whatever it happens to be, you can set up a custom tank stage. They're really easy to set up. I'll show you how it's done. So I just click on my name, then go to tools, and all the settings will appear. You've got this setting here that says custom tank stages. So as you can see, there's a whole bunch of custom tank stages that are being set up. You can set up stages based around bright beer, the tank being empty, ferment, whatever it is you happen to be. What we're going to do is we're going to set up a custom tank stage called ready to dry hop, which is related to the ferment module. Okay, so I just select ferment as the stage type, and I go ready for dry hop, and I go R4DH as the abbreviated name, and I'm just going to make that a green. And then I add the tank stage, and then all of a sudden the tank stages has been created. So now what I can do is I can go back into the dashboard and I can click on tank 11 here with my tank of Indian brown sugar ale, and I can select a custom stage called ready for dry hop. Hit save. And what happens is you'll notice that the green color that we configured ready for dry hop to be appears, and you'll also see there's a little 0 in brackets just after it. And what that does is that actually tells you the number of days in which that tank, that custom stage ready for dry hop has been applied. So for example, in this particular application, if I have a tank of beer that's been marked as ready for dry hop, and it's been like that for say 14 days and it still hasn't been dry hopped, then I, as the head brewer, I'm going to raise some questions with the team about what's going on there. And so with custom tank stages, you basically eliminate the need for whiteboards and that sort of thing in the brewery. I've seen breweries that have put televisions on the wall in their breweries to show the Beer 30 dashboard. The other cool thing is that because Beer 30 is mobile responsive, you don't even need to be in the brewery to see the custom stages of the tanks that are in your brewery. Pretty cool way to communicate to your team. So if you want to know how Beer 30 can help you communicate better with your brewing team, leave the comment communicate below, and one of the Beer 30 crew will reach out to you and run you through how to set up not only custom tank stages, but all the other amazing features that are in Beer 30. Thanks for watching this Tech Tip Tuesday. I'll catch you in the next video.